Hello and welcome to Master Depreciation Accounting course using PRO Depreciation template in Microsoft Excel. This will be a hands-on course on accounting of depreciation. This is Prashant and I'll be your instructor in the course. If you are watching this video, I'm very much sure that you have heard about word depreciation in your life. People also use term amortization, which is not the same as depreciation. I will explain you the difference between these two terms in next section of this course. Full disclosure, this course does not cover advanced concepts for depreciation and fixed assets accounting in specialized industries where depreciation is treated and accounted differently. The term depreciation is familiar to you because you have owned an asset, you file tax returns regularly, you own a business where you have a fixed assets in any form. You might have heard on news debate, especially in financial news or financial newspaper. You are an investor. You are reading financial statements of your prospective investment in any corporation or firm which owns massive assets and there is a depreciation charge in their financial statements. Or you are an accountant or finance professional just like me. What you will learn from the course: hands-on knowledge on terms like depreciation, fixed assets, two types of fixed assets, accumulated depreciation, written down value, net book value, and what is amortization. How depreciation accounting works in general, how to forecast and budget depreciation cost for future periods, especially budget and forecasting exercise for your business, deriving accurate profit and loss on disposal of fixed assets, especially when there is a premature sale of assets. Lastly, general overview of practical accounting journal entries and bookkeeping for normal depreciation monthly, yearly, in case of premature sale of an assets and closing of your fixed asset journal ledger, profit or loss on sale disposal of fixed assets. I'll be using a robust depreciation calculation template using straight line method which I have prepared from scratch. Also, you will get a free copy of this template. I'll be using straight line method of depreciation during entire course. But don't worry, I'll be also explaining you different methods of depreciation and what are the main differences among all of them. About myself, I'm a professional accountant with more than a decade of experience in finance, managerial accounting, auditing, commercial and operation functions, and finance and business modeling. Throughout my career, I have automated many manual and routine tasks with the help of advanced formula and functions, Excel VBA, pivot tables, Power Query, and Power Pivot. I have solved many complex business issues and problems with the help of what-if analysis tools like Solver, GoalSeek, Scenario Manager, and data tables. I'm an Excel enthusiast and I'm always trying to decode mysteries hidden inside world's best spreadsheet application, Microsoft Excel. So let's start our journey and master depreciation accounting with Microsoft Excel.